Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I'm going to fix something real quick for a dessert. It's angel food cake mix. And today I'm using crushed pineapple. That's all you need. I'm going to put it in a Bundt pan. You do not need to spray the pan or grease the pan. You just need to add your cake mix, your can of fruit. Like I say, I'm going to use pineapple. Mix it together, pour it in the pan, let it cook for about 35 minutes until it gets brown on top, and you can ice it or eat it just like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the mix in a bowl. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope things have been going well with everybody. And we're going to use a can of crushed pineapple with the juice. I'll get it mixed up just a little bit. Then I'm going to use the mixer. You don't need no water. You don't need no eggs. All you need is your cake mix and your can of fruit. Now let's see how big of a mess I can make with this mixer. It sure did puff up. So we're going to put it in our Bundt pan. As you can see, it is definitely full. So I'm going to put it in my oven. I'm going to use my Ninja oven because it's so hot down here, and the Ninja oven just is so much better on me. And we're going to cook it for about 35 minutes, and we'll check on it. And it says to be careful, it might rise out of the pan, but let's hope not. So we're going to put it in the Ninja at 350 degrees, and I'll come back and check on it. I have it set for 35 minutes at 350, and I've got it set on bake. Right this second is preheating, and it will start counting down in just a few seconds. Okay, this has been cooking for 35 minutes, and according to the directions, it should really be dark brown on top, and it shouldn't feel sticky, and that feels just a little bit sticky. So I'm going to put it back in the oven and cook it for 5 more minutes. But it is looking pretty, and it did not run over my pan. So we'll check it again in 5 minutes. Okay, I cooked it for 5 more minutes, and it really looks good. And it's pulling away from the sides a little bit, which is a good thing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to flip it over and just let it cool. And when it cools a while, we're going to put cream cheese icing and probably some pineapple slices on top. So I'll be back in just a little bit, but it definitely has got to cool before I can cut into it. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please join my channel. Give me your comments, and I'll be right back. Okay, now my cake is a little bit cool. I think I'm going to just put a knife down the side of it to make sure it's turned loose. Okay, now let's see if it will come out. I just got a plate to put on top of it. And we'll just Would you look at that? That really turned out good. So what I'm going to do is let it cool just a little bit more, and then when it finishes cooling, I got Pillsbury cream cheese icing, and I'm going to put some pineapple slices around it just to decorate it a little bit. But that has turned out real good. Now it feels pretty cool, so we're going to ice the cake. Okay, I put my icing in the microwave and got it just where you can just drizzle it on the top. Now we're just going to decorate it just a little bit and put some pineapple slices on it. That piece of pineapple came all to pieces. I think I'm going to just half my pineapple anyway, because the pieces seem to be bigger than my cake. Now you have got a pineapple angel cake. Now I'm going to cut into it and we'll see what it looks like. I've always been told that with an angel food cake, when you get ready to cut it, you should use a serrated knife and sort of saw it, because if you didn't, it will pull apart. So we're going to see what this is. I've got a slice of pineapple angel cake. Definitely tastes pineapple. Definitely. And I didn't even put a piece of the pineapple on this top. But it is very good. A very nice looking cake. It says to cover it tightly, and I will put it, after it cools just a little bit more, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Make your comments, come back to see me, and have a fantastic day. Pineapple angel cake. I went back and cut another slice and put me a piece of pineapple on it. Just remember, it's the easiest thing I've seen to do. Angel food cake mix, some kind of fruit. You can use apple, you can use cherries, whatever you like. I happen to like, as you can see, pineapple. Nothing else. No eggs, no milk, no water, no nothing. Mix it up. Put it in your Bundt pan or in 2 loaf pans. 35 minutes, then I went back and cooked it 5 more minutes until it really got brown on top. And when it cooled down, softened a little cream cheese. Put on top. Put some pineapple slices on top of that, and it's ready to go. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Have a good day.